morning, guys. I got out of work, third shift. Came home, took a shower, jumped in bed. It is currently 4:21 in the afternoon. About to start cooking my dinner for today because you know I eat one meal a day. Totally forgot about the camera. So something said grab the camera and record. So I'm already started and I'm just show you guys what I'm cooking and I'll be back. Of course, I have to have my coffee first.
Please.
Subscribe. I chopped up some sausages, hot Louisiana sausages. I got some squash here. I got some zucchini. I gotta wash this off. I washed this squash off and I'm just cutting it up. I'm gonna fry these two together. That's what I'll be eating, 6 o'clock meal. And I also, at 6 o'clock, I can eat what I want. And I eat one meal a day. So I cut my vegetables already. I cut my sausages already. I chopped up my sausages and put them in the air fryer. I love this air fryer. I got this from Walmart. I think I paid $97 for it. And I bought my son one also. Okay, this is my zucchini, washed and clean. I'm chopping this up. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because you guys probably don't want to see me chopping. I actually like seeing people chop.
Please.
Okay, guys, as you can see, my sausages are done. Now I'm about to use some avocado oil and steam my squash and zucchini. Excuse the dishes in the sink. Actually, they are soaking in hot water, but I had to wash off the top. I'm about to season it with some garlic powder. I actually use garlic powder and Lorry's seasoning salt. That thing frying, baby. Now I'm about to add my sausages. Guys, I had to use 2 pans because this pan was not big enough, so I end up using the pan that's next to this pan, and you'll see the process as I go. And I'm just trying to mix everything together. I dropped the sausage down the stove. Tried to get it, couldn't get it, so I had to do it when I turned the stove off and took everything off. I thought I cooked too much, guys, but my son went back for seconds. It was so good. And this is the avocado oil I was telling you guys about. And this is the finished product, guys. This was so freaking good. And this is what I ate for the whole day of yesterday, because I eat one time a day. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is the next day. I didn't jump back on camera because I don't know. Why did I didn't jump back on camera? I don't know, guys. I think I just finished it off with eating my food and 6 o'clock dinner, and it was so good. I'm drinking my coffee right now out of my cup, Mom. And I'm drinking my coffee, and then I'm gonna get ready and cook. So I can get that out the way, and then when I get done cooking, I'm going to work out. And when I'm done working out, I'll take a shower and I'll eat some more. Let's go with the flow. How about that? Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that bell. Guys, subscribe, hit the bell. Like the video, comment down below what you liked. Do you like Egg Foo Young? I actually looked at a couple of YouTube videos, not one, but like a couple, just like so many to see how everybody's doing it. Twist to it, but I'm gonna, you know, y'all will see. All right, let me drink my coffee. So, yeah, I know there's a lot of gravy, y'all, and I'm not gonna eat all this, probably is, because it's my first meal of the day, but this is the Egg Foo Young. Shrimp Egg Foo Young, and then I have an ice. So I'm gonna eat this. So we're gonna taste this together. This is my first time making Egg Foo Young. I love rice, so I know that should be good. I'm just gonna see how I did. Everybody said it's good, but let's see. Look at that. Well, I feel like I gotta warm this up some more. I see why my son got seconds. Y'all, this is amazing. It tastes like I got it from the Chinese place. This is really good. Wow. I did good. Y'all can see the shrimp in there. The bell pepper, green peppers. Everything then fell off the damn. And the egg. This is so good, y'all. When I say it was so good, I ate it all. Plus, this is my only meal of the day. I even had room for banana pudding.